Everywhere I go, they call me Cash Madam, say me fresh and clean, call me Cash Madam, anything you know I got it. Cash Madam, baby, Cash Madam, Cash Madam, V-Money.
My mind there for you, my heart beats for you. Anytime when I think of you, I don't know, I feel loved again.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I installed those cute wigs. So the company I work with today is Ilikehairwig.com. They sent to me this cute unit which I'm loving. Okay, so I chose this hairstyle because like I needed something different. So it's the first time I'm doing this kind of short hair. Let me turn in the back for you guys to see. Like it's pretty short hair, so it looks natural. I mean, so I did a very detailed video for you guys to see how I install this wig. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to leave the link, everything about this hair, the link, discount code down below in the description box, so check it out. Keep a comment down below and tell me what you think about this hair. I would like to know. Okay, so my cuties, if you want to know how I installed this wig, just keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Carefree. Oh my god, so today I'm going to be showing you guys this wig from Ilikehair.com. It came in this cute orange box, but I was a little bit sad because DHL spoiled my package. But anyways, let's go to the video unboxing. Okay, so it came with the wig with the pamphlet that says, "Hi, I am what you have been waiting for." Okay, so it comes there with their Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and all their details. So it came with this cute transparent bag, and also, oh, before I forget, this rattle comb, which is very cute. Okay, you can do like everything you want to do with this wig is in that box. So it came with this cute little bag that came with the shower cap. Like, come on, it came with the wig cap also. It came with many stuff. It came with the brush for your edges, for your baby hairs. If you want to lay your edges, you can use that brush. And also it came with clippers for you to like clip your hair apart if you want to style it and all. And the most surprising thing, this company sent also tweezers. Like, come on, they sent tweezers to me. I was so happy when I saw that because I'm like, paquete completo, you know what I mean? So I'm going to show you guys this wig right now. So this wig, at the beginning I thought that it's going to be a little bit because like I haven't had this kind of short hair before. I said, okay, let me try it, let's see how this goes. So I mean, it's not bad, and the most important thing about this wig is very soft, guys. Like, I'm not even lying. But anyways, so it comes with 3 combs, 2 by the side, 1 in the middle, 1 in the back, with adjustable straps. So you can see how coily, you can see how those fluffy curls over there. So I'm going to be using, obviously, got2b. I'm also going to be trying more glues very soon to lay my wigs. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to allow you guys to watch me installing this wig, and I'll be back. Okay, love you.
Shout outs to Jackie, you know. My mind there for you, my heart beats for you. Anytime when I think of you, I don't know, I feel loved again. I don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. When they said I can't have you, I proved them wrong, I came for you. Anywhere they need mood to, you know I still come through. Give me love, yeah, forever, yeah. I had a grace for you. My mind there for you, my heart beats for you. Every time when I think of you, I don't know, I feel loved again. I don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. Good morning, my lover. Oh my God, it's our wedding day. Hey, I'm still glad I found someone to hold till eternity. I don't need you more than me too. Honeymoon far away from here. I dey craze for your love. Hey, my darling, I did for you. Of the question, and yes, I do. My melody should strike a clue that I want you and only you. Hey, my darling, I did for you. Of the question, and yes, I do. Yeah, I go fight though. I go fight though. I go fight for you. My mind there for you. My heart beats for you. Every time when I think of you, I don't know. I feel loved again. Don't want you waiting for this. Let me have you in my arms again.
So right now I want to start tweezing out some hair in the front. Even though the wig came pre-plucked, I really needed to be more like extra pre-plucked for me. So you guys are seeing just a little part of this process, but it actually took me about almost 2 hours, because you really need to take time for you not to spoil the lace, you understand? Because once you spoil the lace in the front, girl, you are finished. Your own don't finish. So so you need to be very careful. Okay, I just showed a little bit here, but actually it took me about 2 hours to tweeze out the hair, the amount of hair I wanted, which I'm going to show you guys the amount of hair I took off. Can you guys see how natural the hair was? So this is the amount of hair I took off. Like crazy, right?
You know I still come through. Give me love, yeah, forever, yeah. I dey craze for you.
So you guys can see I've cut off the lace, the excess lace, and right now I want to wet it a little bit, anyway, a lot, because I want the curls to come out very well, you know. So I'm combing it with white tooth comb, just bringing back the curls to life. And yeah, that's it. Like, it was tangling a little bit because it still had some hair I pre-plucked. Okay, the hair wasn't tangling, it's just because there was more hair I took off with the tweezers. So you guys can see how cute those curls are. Come on, they are very cute. I love it.
Yes, I do, yeah. I go fight though, I go fight though, I go fight for you. My mind there for you, my heart beats for you. Every time when I think of you, I don't know. I feel loved again. Don't want you waiting for this. Let me have you in my arms again, please.
Can you guys see how natural the front looks like? Like, come on, yeah, I know I have big forehead, but I mean, look at the hairline, guys. Like, I haven't laid the wig yet, and come on, I could have left it like this actually, but I really wanted to go a little bit extra with this wig. I really wanted to lay it, and you guys can see I'm laying it right now with the got be. So yeah, that was it, guys. I'm going to allow you guys to watch this video, okay, and we'll see in my next video. Enjoy and leave your comments down below with your opinion, because stay tuned also, because I lay my edges with this wig, okay? So stay tuned for that. Love you.
You know I still come through. Give me love, yeah, forever, yeah. I dey craze for you. My mind there for you, my heart beats for you. Every time when I think of you, I don't know. I feel loved again. I don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. Good morning, my lover. Oh my God, it's our wedding day. Hey, I'm still glad I found someone to hold till eternity. I don't need you more than me too. Honeymoon far away from here. I dey craze for your love. Hey, my darling, I did for you. Pop the question and yes, I do. My melody should strike a clue that I want you and only you. Hey, my darling, I did for you. Pop the question and yes, I do. Yeah, I go fight though. I go fight though. I go fight for you. My mind there for you. My heart beats for you. Every time when I think of you, I don't know. I feel loved again. Don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. It's my day on the beats, and your girl be. Oh, hey. Shout outs to Jackie, you know. My mind there for you. My heart beats for you. Anytime when I think of you, I don't know. I feel loved again. I don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. When they said I can't have you, I proved them wrong, I came for you. Anywhere they need mood to. You know I still come through. Give me love, yeah. Forever, yeah. I dey craze for you. My mind there for you. My heart beats for you. Every time when I think of you, I don't know. I feel loved again. I don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. Good morning, my lover. Oh my God, it's our wedding day. Hey, I'm still glad I found someone to hold till eternity. I don't need you more than me too. Honeymoon far away from here. I dey craze for your love. Hey, my darling, I did for you. Pop the question and yes, I do. My melody should strike a clue that I want you and only you. Hey, my darling, I did for you. Pop the question and yes, I do. Yeah, I go fight though. I go fight though. I go fight for you. My mind there for you. My heart beats for you. Every time when I think of you, I don't know. I feel loved again. Don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. It's my day on the beats, and your girl be. Oh, hey. Shout outs to Jackie, you know. My mind there for you. My heart beats for you. Anytime when I think of you, I don't know. I feel loved again. I don't want you waiting for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. When they said I can't have you, I proved them wrong, I came for you. Anywhere they need mood to. You know I still come through. Give me love, yeah. Forever, yeah. I dey craze for you. My mind there for you. My heart beats for you. Every time when I think of you, I don't know.
If you like this video and this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like, subscribe right there, click the bell button over there and share, and see you in my next video. Bye guys, see you very soon. I'm doing another video right now. Bye guys. Mwah.
Don't need you more than me too. Honeymoon far away from here. I dey craze for your love. Hey, my darling, I did for you. Pop the question